absolutely freezing outside, and it's only going to get colder.
Yeah, it's an icebox out there, and we're not going to see any relief from the cold anytime soon. In fact, another winter storm heading in our direction. So we have winter storm warnings posted for southern Colorado down into the northern mountains of New Mexico, and then a winter weather advisory for the area shaded in light blue. That runs until later on this evening until tomorrow afternoon. So here in the metro, we are not under an advisory, but we do have that slight chance for a spot snow shower here in the metro. Satellite and radar showing quiet conditions, but we do have some clouds in the eastern portion of the state and also around the Four Corners. But outside of that, we're just dealing with some chilly temperatures and some fog along the central mountain chain and to the east down to 0 miles of visibility in Las Vegas and also in Ruidoso. So the further east you get, the foggier it is this morning. So give yourself some extra time. Temperatures are on the chilly side, starting out in the upper teens. It's 18 degrees in Albuquerque, only 8 degrees in Gallup, 27 in TRC, and 7 degrees right now in Taos. And then on top of that, it is rather breezy. Check out that wind in Las Vegas, 30 miles per hour there, 16 in Santa Fe. So when you factor in that wind on top of those already cold temperatures, it feels like it's 5 below in Las Vegas. It feels like 3 below in Taos. 17 below is what it feels like in Alamosa and 13 below in Clayton. So dress in layers for today. And the cold is going to stick around for the afternoon hours. Temperatures will not be rebounding because we are watching that area of low pressure beginning to move into the region. It will basically track a little bit further to our north than the last storm system. So that's one reason why here in the metro and for eastern New Mexico, we don't have as good of a shot of picking up snow. And most of the snow will be focused in the northern mountains and southern Colorado. So for today, the wind's picking up. It will be rather cold out there with those breezy conditions and that cold air locked in place. Snow around the northern mountains into the Four Corners in southern Colorado, and then by tomorrow evening we'll start to clear things out. But another low pressure system's heading in our direction on Monday. That could trigger some spot snow showers for the northern mountains. Otherwise, temperatures drop even further on Monday and Tuesday. So for this weekend, it's going to be cold. Then we'll watch that low pressure system track over the Four Corners. Now this system doesn't have as much moisture to work with, and since it's tracking further to the northern mountains will be favored, especially the western slopes. So we'll see that develop, the snow chances develop later on tonight into Sunday. The east slopes of the mountains will not get as much snow, a little bit of snow, but not as much as the last few storm systems that rolled through New Mexico. And here in the metro, a slight chance for a spot snow shower, but we're not talking about accumulation here in Albuquerque and eastern New Mexico. The concern there will be some fog and freezing drizzle. In southern Colorado for today, it will be cold. Temperatures only climbing into the upper teens in Alamosa, 20s in Durango and Cortez. Snow developing late tonight into tomorrow, starting out below 0 when you're waking up on Monday and Tuesday morning. Temperatures only in the upper teens and middle 20s to begin the week. Into the northwest, we'll be in the 30s, middle 30s in Grants, 35 degrees there, 33 and Gallup. A chance for some snow, about 3 to 6 inches in spots here in northwestern New Mexico as we have that winter weather advisory in effect until tomorrow afternoon. And then into the southwest, temperatures in the 40s and the 50s. One of the warmer locations here in the state. A slight chance for some snow around the Gila by tomorrow morning. Into the southeast, fog this morning. A chance for some spotty freezing drizzle and spot snow showers for today and tomorrow. Otherwise, cold temperatures will continue. Into the northeast, dry right now. A chance for snow later on tonight into Sunday morning. And then we dry things out on Monday, but it will be cold on Monday. And then into the northern mountains, temperatures only in the 20s, the 30s, upper teens and Red River. And then into the east mountains, we'll break into lower 30s in some spots, upper 20s in others. A slight chance for a little bit of snow tonight. And then in the metro, we'll be in the middle to upper 30s. And then we'll stay in the 30s for tomorrow. Only in the 20s for Monday. Temperatures falling back into the single digits for lows when you're waking up on Tuesday morning. Eventually, it will make it back into the 40s, but that's not until next Thursday and Friday, and it's the lower 40s at best. So the cold air looks like it's locked in place, but beneficial snow is still on the way for parts of the state tonight.